Well, a test usually takes place at one particular point in time, and it's really dependent upon how the student feels on that day and how well prepared they were for that one experience. Whereas a portfolio provides you with a variety of evidence of how much the student has learned and grown over a period of time. So that's why I talk about it more as a motion picture rather than as a snapshot. Through the evidence that a student posts in the portfolio, that provides a rich resource for communication to parents and other teachers about students' performance in a variety of areas. So it's through the evidence and the reflections that the student has created in the portfolio that provides that area for communication. When you're implementing e-portfolios, it's good to have a clear idea or vision about what portfolios are meant to be within a school. And so having that vision statement clearly provides a common framework for the development of the portfolio, so people have a common understanding of what the portfolio development process is meant to achieve.